morning.
Good morning, bro.
Now I want to say
Nyamiadom me announce we.
Oh, Nyamiadom.
Okay,
Bibia fine.
Penso the German burger assembly.
What can burger idea? Burgers in about quarter town. Burgers no.
Okay.
And no dia ya ana ono so free US.
Okay.
Ababe drew Ghana. Minia Gaxen Awuku.
Okay.
Owo Worcester. Owo US. Aye ho. And Gaxen and so
I almost prefer the US of A. Some the
United States of America.
The US.
Enti Gaxen Akwaba. And Rayana of US. And so Ababe drew Ghana. Good morning. Me jide se oba Ghana so no. Ghana 832 kama pa. Akwaba. We so Mefrona yedi enkomo. Jude, two major talking points. Thomas Tuchel. Ne game management.
Yes.
And substitution or
yes.
In the game. And afi Abrantia. Ye fese Lionel Andrea Messi. Yen kani nyina mum.
Okay.
Na sime di enemy die. Fa room na inin komo no emfa enko.
Rich Medas Minia. Rich first of all, me abebo Argentina baso. Enormous side share adebi. Mekai say prior to the start of the game, Linus Scaloni na wamano I very clear. Consistently, sa question way it keeps popping up. And anytime I say question way bebebiano, answer odemano or you're very emphatic with the answer odema about say Argentina because in this World Cup I able clearly say per one team rich was suffer ye pana Argentina. Yehu against Cape Verde, yehu against Egypt, even against Switzerland. Yehu. Into where one team was suffer ye power of this very competition. And anytime be a baby Sani Biano, Adeba quite clear and say a part of their DNA. They actually built to suffer. It is part of them. Hence, I'll see at this idea and I say into almost enjoy suffering impo. Na suffering no and then yehu character and resilience show. Inti ono onye bothered about sadia na ekoso and rich say oka sana na me join so papa we nsem you okay me na me sure say dakro e be better the afaso cause rich indeed say ope team in terms of experience okra sadia na bro trust you me certainly the Argentines seeing them come off 2021 Copa America on the J or say Brazil by a solitary goal. And Yensan Somna 2023-2024 and also only Colombia and also Sir Rich gave no travel for extra time and San Otimia Colombia by a solitary goal, including even the finalismo, I don't know, European Championship best team Illy on the boys Obekaya world best and as a Copa America for no Mushia and Argentines said this our Copa America title or deba no Sansukra world title or deba. Now this year mono and the Komo do faso and the rich even the last World Cup before this World Cup. Share acquire faso bray. The first game was against Saudi Arabia. Javier Renard then and they coach omo then. Esso by solitary goal. Rich Obian himself by free competition num. Okoya could do grand finale so on France. Share acquire faso SA France. Such a thrilling encounter. Enti o share penalty shootout where Emiliano Martinez ever be a hero of the day. Clearly it tells you say almost for such situations na almost from as a body ye. Enti where one team on your bothered about say ye boge now boss or bread and son was to go and answer watika on him say a part of their DNA until they've gone worried that. And Rich say and also now compare to the previous Argentine teams are now omunya. Not clearly except Diego Armando Maradona team omunya no. Na Argentina team bi obenya bia no. Na almost a mental problem no. Osha Brazil na Brazil ni sadia no. Brazil and rely solely on a player. But Argentina at a point here one star man no carry team no. We anya star man na we. Who's after Diego Armando Maradona drew baby ba baba be drew Ario Ortega. Ono kra na omo di omo ni ekokoto ne so enti se omo bo na omo anya one star man obetimi carry team no on the tiny shoulders na ne magigu pe na omo bibia say ba Brazil there obetimi abo even without Ronaldo obebo Rivaldo mo ebebo e the expected results aba enti omo asesa saade no ana omo aba be a team a sa flamboyance no unya ni bebre said the first na nka benyo omo particularly Oje World Cup no na rather waba benya a team a any type of football a person on the ball rich or ready so bebo say street football na opa because anyone say do baby no or because say as gangsters in quotes rich ball no more ball street ball power
typical South American game
and all mobile and I loved it because I know the man trait of a world champion say I am built for everything and ya dia ba kope and obet me bibia or yebi and bro and run home me shade bi on say about first 30 minutes na game me so interesting the man so interesting no na say a game a create clear cut opportunities so as at the time we about 30 minutes no be am far shots encoy not even one shot on target in pony and the West are free knockout team bia ho say about near Babedu stage say not 30 minutes not even a single shot and reach Sobeke at a point now offer starts now and so interesting 11 fouls 0 shots because clearly it was a street football and then 2 teams from them. But rich game no air war on and at a point unim say first 45 minutes now check it XG expected goals are being now 0.08 and only since 1966 World Cup yabwa ya drew knockout stage rich yabona first half emos XG no
okay
but almost no because of how an game no is it here but bro second half 55th minutes and a branch friend Anthony Gordon any goal at the man, the Free Lions of England. And after it, the impression was that I met me a body upon Salgo now almost now almost enya win. But rich, funny enough, interestingly, suddenly na England game as answer. Almost say go ni we no. After it, and almost decided say almost na call their own half. Almost pie. Na me patcho ya the heat map bi beto so
okay
na masha ade o share heat map na almost virtually the entire English team setup meaning omo own half except Abrante and the Anthony Gordon obi anya ready say obaba bpie so at that point the majority when say mentality be na England e dey ball no me sure say ye dey atoso oh bro so me bisa me say mentality be na omo dey ball no what's the goal who opportunity so betimi pass another one. We suddenly now almost some game plan say rather they would prefer say be defended. And unim adeba ko da bia meka say mouse Spaniards no bro aboa omo ababa basis ha point menim say or the atoso we ye game no overall starting po and or the atoso overall start no clearly
or the heat map
no or the toso okay
that's the heat map. It is a baby England half no one
perfect.
Now they check it baby Argentina half no one. The only player or center
Morgan Rogers. Yes, Morgan Rogers. Omo ready to open up. So the impression was that Omo okay with that solitary goal now Omo no be defending. And the other move say mentality na the typical English mentality asaba at play. And I knew say just a matter of time, right? They'll get punished for it. And bro, only the maybe Samuel. Na me share changes be a course so it will game no more. Rich me who those changes no. And I'm who said to sell the oil or create problem their man. Because rich, whenever you have Leo Messi in the game, BBI possible. Or bet me as side game the complexion at any point in time. Game na England airborne. Baby back who steady na Argentina enjoy free panel at the left side of their defense. Consistently, Leo Messi, who say Argentina players do not know how to create overload ne efa. Yes,
just spent.
I heard them see 2 goals in the free buy. So I get back so consistently I heard na omo create overloads no efa. Because they realize say a honor no emre. And to me, I don't know me be some on say.
No, second goal by Spence.
Bro,
defenders ain't easy defending. Oh, come on.
No, Rich. They know me say be some home. And they say, coach, instead say changes are or the concert eba. Or the moment how they concert eba, as you concert eba. he's a centre back. So all the concert eba. Now we Gordon every one. The impression is clear. Who said defend you? At the point in England air with 6 defenders. Or the Abranti and the other than Ben eba and or the Nico Rally and so eba. Now it was clear say about defending. So the
and so Thomas Tuchel not John the years changes in you now.
Yes.
Oh me no more
heights.
And so Argentina share Egypt no.
Yes.
No pay no. So I think at that time I do not Thomas Tuchel nyazo okay. At this point I show mo one no. Yambo low block. So Argentina for no munya ways and means beyond the better go now. Then on the chance as on the pay the boss. Because on strikers in Abeba. But I think that Sergeant no Mfasobia me or share one now. Or my players in Kugu I knew it was over for England.
No, because Rich, when you have a personality like Messi in a game, Argentina ain't in the problem. Argentina were with or problem or Yahweh. Say now only natural wingers and only so say the defense so a weak or agree, especially in the centre backs or Yahweh. So the enemy be some only say, oh, personality like Bukayo Saka.
Oh, Noni Madueke. Oh, Marcus
Rashford. Oh,
who can run?
That is it.
Because that time no, once and one, and Argentina the game the bounce.
It was clear, exactly, bro. And Rich Udumade. Steady the idea be about even Anthony Gordon no uniform no. Anthony Gordon no him sanka space no and Messi mo pretty free no. Cause bet me occupy his space no. Because on apart from say all pace no, or to me sound so as a defender or covers his space no. Okay, against England against Mexico. At a point no about dual role no of course his space on echo cover ho nyina. And to them be some say papa no mentality or the Igbo game no. Emwa and Rich. And Leo Messi, so extra the Argentina, England, of course, on one eye na we free. Emanim blame you be na adie bi asanso ababium. Question bi na amanfo bisa Cole Palmer. But what I say? For Cole Palmer. For be said Trent Alexander-Arnold. Phil Foden. Because you can't even competition nation say na metin afia me analysis. Okay, say make answer some nature say England Ebebo osia average teams or best almost okay me say or best average teams the opposite or the ombi or the bayom but the moment as stakes no echo higher and higher our besia teams almost our level no e honum no benya problem because odru honum players won't be impacting games yes or Jude Bellingham or Harry Kane and we so share at a point Harry Kane and anybody or midfield and a honum no baba pebble every because supplies and your forthcoming. Obeka say yes, ABI was a strategy say obet me create space no ama crosses no et me every wings honum aba. But the point is na onya balls. It's not I was say oba ho. And Rich a hon na saying assembly sign babium because my catch say Elliot Anderson ent me mouth those line breaking passes. On me split defense apart. On to me yes edwuma no emfa ma. Omo midfield no M2 Spain for midfield no. But also what man. Omo nto omo. Odi ano to nchi Declan Rice ne passes are ya normal no. Normally e go sideways and your passes are e open defense apart. So who will be set for Foden? I don't know me no oja no fie. Even Trent Alexander-Arnold. Obetime impact games. Because no obvious say go scra na wunya no. Do na no every crosses. England want to check World Cup your boy. Most of their goals about 70 to 80% from crosses. Now we just a talent. Kobe my moves so ho. Or their branch any course on conquer because only matter point it was clear. Say England needed that. They needed somebody who bet me a sack completion of the game with their mom.
Mefood
no say you have
Argentina
such a talent.
For born and one of them
the born here. And no dear. And you have such a talent. Not honum. It's not be some say papa no like born no dent and it's the bring an answer say. Now, Rich, no. Messi, dear, ya can answer more. Can, bra. Messi, dear, and more be a hand home.
Messi, argument me.
And more be a hand.
39.
At 39.
Now, Bobo,
or the 20 years, Utie. Diego Armando Maradona, or more intimate impact games and chess you. Messi longevity. Or dear,
how consistent are you?
Consistent, a branch, no aye. Messi ball now, all ball. At 8:39, and Maradona cried the end of the rich. the etimi say mo make a case for Leo Messi no e say Maradona cry the end ni enim de esan so eka ne ho so kai maka ye ni made ana esan eka ho e ba asem no Messi till now ne ho ma asem na for 20 years since 2006 they all ya no ye bibian so show say wayemre. Now the strategy is that even Obobo na steady say no rich unim Messi Oshana say ofu so to make be brain or be bron han on until games steady.
O dem fa ball
on until games it's on until nyina no ne energy no o use ne sa anti period that unim say Argentina air down anyema agiegu ofu say bia by then no team ne energy levels wo form no obesan affect games and bro and what him say Messi o
me kind tamano Argentina that from back so Argentina players no obia ko Messi
ni obia hwe no
mu so catch am say masa
they must just calm down
we dem fa ball na mo fa ball
minim dem de ball ne be
and Lionel Messi at 8:39 unu say baby Hurricane ko re no on any course and power you say dem out of them
exactly
Lionel Messi
Debbie oh say oh no because all low center of gravity how he's built it's not branch and he's really taking good care of himself. So Messi Bobo na shena clearly who a player one fan ye maybe an can game one fan say in the game to say the Ronaldinho e de kan ho no enti Antonio abe retire no ahode ne be koso rich unimade they must always thank Leo Messi because Argentina Enzo Fernandez is a good player, Lautaro Martinez fantastic player, McAllister super but rich unimade ba kwa mahu say omo Bobo ni nyina no mu enya Leo Messi so omo betimi outperforming opponents, you know, extremely difficult. They need Messi to gel. That is what he brings on board. The game changer. Apart from so no ankasano ebese games no. Say last 11 games are wabono. Either obese goal and also obe make an assist. Ababe a record on its own. And offer Messi wababe specialist about 12 goals knockout stages. Rich wababe specialist. We have to appreciate that gentleman. Unim de mi hu she me person a comparative analysis be among for Felisa Messi during the last World Cup or ball this World Cup me boy but rich me patrol yen sign first start into so first start there that's no
so the 2022 World Cup I ball Qatar
yes
Osha 7 goals Emma 3 assists chance created 21
yes
and a successful drivers say Okuta born or 3 player and also now 15
yes
now 2026 yes. This particular World Cup
yes
was 8 goals wama 4 assists wa create 26 chances and a successful dribbles no 24
yes
so it means that we are better than
and even the argument that Leo Messi during the last World Cup play better than this World Cup, it is not true. It's a fallacy. But also, by virtue of the start I'm providing, it's a fallacy. It's a complete fallacy. Said Messi World Cup we can Wabobo the last World Cup. Look, another argument you'll be raising is
like last World Cup never or no 35.
I mean, no 35.
And when you 4 years, I can't be 39. Wabobo 35.
Wabobo 35. There no.
Aquarian can say Sam Messi.
And reason why there. Adeba ko se san so huni o se san appreciate Messi na nko bi beka say arguments so beba say okay World Cup we no obebo more games achen the last World Cup me boa but rich me patrol World Cup we no difference abem ne say the game back open ababeshim ana me boa game back open e de ababeshim no start ya me dey mamunyi no utie starter so far enye 7 matches 7 matches near Canada the last World Cup 7 matches in so no boy and me for 8 matches start in a day bowl 7 matches go on
the same 7
and still almost high results it reach then I bet me akadia found pastor so na me point 3 e ye ball no nimbo it say no oba be raise the argument of Lionel Messi ball any idea what how and which onim there Messi and one e card be actual ye pe Ballon d'Or no Samuti anye yese ikim na Messi age World Cup na who say Ballon d'Or no obenya Robin him so on be agina de oye no say Argentina age World Cup na which so James one said definitely the influence in the grand finale e be say very key the
moment Ballon d'Or no
yes
na him say Ousmane Dembele
yes Mbappe
and Kylian Mbappe but almost unfortunately Omo ntimi anko finals.
Perfect. Because Lamine Yamal, you say competition as due to injury. No?
Ono so started.
Perfect.
Ono so in the middle of way now, ono so buy.
Exactly.
And
World Cup Rodri ball all right, but normally Messi the ball the excitement or generating. Rodri out those excitement which a key.
No, midfielder and Casa de Ukoshia attacker.
We then saw popularity in a way. So the popularity of Leo Messi, the very moment of World Cup no. Ejumanu esi.
Enti mebo Jude.
Bro.
Lionel Messi MLS and say bobo.
Money say because only MLS no also reserve a lot of energy. At the China World Cup, all young Congo plan on him say honor no World Cup no, and on a creme de la creme no ever be share. Yes, also exciting goals. I've watched him over and over again. What MLS no, also exciting goals, all right. But some performance here all turning it out no. On first our performance no, and daddy consistently I was high period no, because only what is at stake. He feels that among for feeling say it is over, but any over. Still bet me give him more. And which on him said the Messi and one. So Messi a plan sign Mamuno or Shen Usuya. Messi bet me as another World Cup. Oh yes. With the man may yana muhune sana as a BBI simple diamamono.
2030 or Basabo.
About Abia. That you bet me and
a catches. I World Cup with Yamamu.
Because
Abia, Joyan is a way I'm you go to Yankanasam crab.
Say no crab coupe. Say the argument of Leo Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo, even Ronaldo fans, Etia say Messi onye nipa, Ronaldo nipa, Ronaldo goat nipa fin. But Messi no, every nipa fin. Messi is a saint, but what I say, Ronaldo goat nipa fin or a goat. But Leo Messi in person, Messi is a saint. We're free ball. Right. Sign any no, man, because the man no. Me almost at a point I heard the Jude Bellingham in here. I don't even say Jude Bellingham. It was a strategy just to unsettle Leo Messi because he felt that I'm fat. Marco Materazzi Diana or the Zuzu Zinedine Zidane as Zidane knew before. I had Bartel no. I don't been an anchor Jude Bellingham episode. But Messi, regardless of the Obeno, what him maintaining the calm or maintaining the composure, Rich. Me feel say Messi. I will see I said that Esuano. He's an institution. Or see a setup.
The whole institution.
No, he's a.
I was say Inya Butena. I
appreciate Messi so much and I pay me to tell Edema Abrantiano.
Okay.
And rate me when they say England, of course, Thomas will say, only baby, I could truth of the matter is reality. They say England and
it's
true, but the point is that Rich England and Casano a breath of top class managers, you know. Yes, because
English goes to
that's the point.
And
Premier League from Arsene Wenger time and England for a swing now. Foreigners that dominate Premier League, so they need to accept that reality. Now, so bet me a dead but your certain stage game the group England anymore, no more limitation. But Rich him, I put on some them Argentina and I mean fee abem. Say Spain esa go ya Spain nim how obe defend you and yes what about obetimi akura ball na am here dia pon in as much as I hear ball about their mental fortitudeness no omo hwe sa de ni and it's so interesting say you're the European champions defending champions and you're world champions almost your grand finale and a FIFA World Cup ranking and so first nanka first and second but say assistant updated one about and to second and third. And almost Baba Bessia. It's so interesting.
Jude Usuba for Namatin and Kano. Francis, I say, Messi is football, and football is Messi. Finito. Okay. The message